to make a little monster treat for the girls today, and I want to show you guys how we're going to do it. Okay, so we're going to make a cheese waffles, or a truffle, whatever you say it, cheese waffles. Okay, but we're not going to use any cheese with this one. Okay, so this is our Oreo flavored one that we're going to make that the girls absolutely love, and we're going to get right to it. I haven't actually done anything before this video. Well, we made the icing, but you know, it's going to be good. It's going to be a good one, okay? This one's going to be cute, and I just realized that I forgot something in the freezer, but I can get that after we get the waffle going, okay? So we're going to use one egg. We're going to crack this one egg. Let's get this off first. Crack one egg. In the bowl here. So this was actually how I got my girls onto the cheese waffles, is to make little character things like this. And you guys have seen me make this one before, and you've seen me make the birthday cake flavored one. You can make a whole bunch of different flavored ones. The girls really like the chicken quesadilla one. But for this purposes, we're going to make the Oreo flavored one. Okay, so we're whisking one egg in a bowl. Okay, one egg in a bowl. There we go. Oh, look at me. I'm like vibrating like crazy up in here. My fault, not me. Oh my. Okay. So we have 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream. We're going to put that in with the egg now. Okay, we're going to do our liquids. Then we're going to do our solids and all that good stuff. We got half a teaspoon of the vanilla extract. We're going to put that in here. I guess I should probably get my waffle maker on. Don't even have that on. So this recipe would make 1 large waffle, or too many ones. Okay. All right. So that's kind of the measurement with this here. Okay. Now we're gonna. Really, it doesn't matter going with the dry and wet, or wet and dry, because I'm just putting it on a bowl and mixing it together. This is half a teaspoon of the baking powder. Okay, and then we have 2 tablespoons of swerve coming in here. We have 1 teaspoon of the almond flour. Right? 1 teaspoon of it, yeah. I feel like this is not a teaspoon. Look at my. Yeah, I don't think I did a teaspoon. I did a 1/4 teaspoon. It's supposed to be a teaspoon. So let's see. Get some more coconut flour in here. I'm like, that doesn't look right. This is what happens when you measure stuff out with screaming kids about. It's okay. It's all right. All right, now. Okay. There you go. Coconut flour in now. And then we have 1.5 tablespoons of the cocoa powder. Okay, now we're going to mix this all up. Ooh, I'm sticking. We're going to mix this all up into a glorious little mixture. And we're going to get this in our waffle maker. And we're going to make ourselves a waffle. We're going to put it together real cute, okay? Like, I'm, like, super excited to show you how we're going to do this. This is, like, really creative. And I don't have my piping out for this, but hopefully I can do this with a knife. I don't know if you guys have seen what we've done for our girls' birthdays. We're very good at decorating, okay? Alright? Just gonna lay that out there. I'm very talented with that. And so is my husband. We since the fonda and all that stuff, we go all out for our kids' birthday cakes. We molded together a panda bear for Adeline last year. Evelyn, we did a full-on unicorn with a unicorn mane, the horn. and with a mermaid tail, and it was like glorious mermaid tail. Okay, very proud of that mermaid tail. So, like, even with the waffles like this on special occasions, like, we go all out and we decorate. So, that's what I'm going to show you what we're going to do here, okay? So you're in for a treat. You're in for a treat here. Okay? Now, of course, at any point in time you want the recipe, just put recipe in the comments and I'll get you that full-blown recipe. Okay? Okay, we're basically mixed together. When you're mixing this together, you want to make sure all the clumps are out, because the last thing you want is put in the waffle maker and there's a clump and you like bite into like a solid thing of like swerve and you're like, ugh, right? Like, you don't want that. No. Okay, so make sure all the clumps are out from the flour and the swerve and all that stuff, okay? Even the cocoa powder, like when you get like a big chunk of cocoa powder, it's kind of gross in your mouth. Just saying. Just saying. Okay. So here we go. Here's the mixture. All right. I'm just gonna get this off my finger here. And it's chocolate. It's a chocolate mixture. We call it our Oreo mixture. So I'm gonna get this over here in the waffle maker. Okay. Try and make sure all four sides are all even with the butter. Okay. Okay. So we're going to put that down. Okay. I'm just going to wipe my hands down here. I'm going to get myself a knife and I'm going to show you all the decorations that we have for this. So this is really cool, okay? So get myself a knife here. I'm going to get our little decorations out of the freezer here. Alright. So we made some little eyeballs and I'll bring it nice and close so y'all can see my eyeballs that we made. Okay, so here's our eyeballs. What we did, this is really cool. It's just like a little clump of cream cheese with a chocolate chip in the middle. That's all it is. Okay. And these are sugar-free, dark chocolate Lily's chocolate chips. Okay. I'll put this bowl over here. So the it's still cooking, but look. Bam! Magic! It's baked! No, I made one beforehand so I can show you how to decorate it too. So this is how it's gonna look when it comes out of the waffle maker. Okay, it's gonna be chocolatey goodness. Okay, it's just one, so I took them all out and I made the little triangles out of it. I'm gonna stack them up. I'm gonna make a pretty cool looking cake. Okay, so what we have here is we made some icing. I got some purple icing here. I got some orange icing here. And we got some green icing here. All right. And the icing is very easy to make, actually. It's just, 2 teaspoons of gelatin. So we have our little packets of gelatin. It's 2 teaspoons of that. Okay. And then it's 4 teaspoons of cold water. 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of the swerve, and half a teaspoon of the vanilla extract, okay? Just mix it all in the bowl. You whip it up really good with the heavy whipping cream, okay? And when you make the gelatin mixture, you heat it up in the microwave for like 10 seconds before you add it into the whipping cream that you're like mixing like crazy with, okay? So it's easy-ish to make, okay? So we're gonna get this, let's check on this. I don't want the one that I'm cooking to actually burn. I'm doing this video. All right, so we're gonna take some green icing here. Okay, we're gonna do the bottom one first. Get some of this icing. It's very whipped icing. It looks delicious. It tastes delicious. Okay, this is one of the more delicious icings out there. I know when you do keto, everyone's like, cream cheese icing! I hate cream cheese icing. So we found different solutions, okay? And this was one of our solutions that we've found, made, and created. Is this very yummy, yummy, yummy icing right here, okay? So we're just gonna like stack them up here real good. Okay. What we're gonna do here, stack them up. So I'm just putting the green icing in between the waffles right now, the waffle triangles, okay? It's actually not that much icing in between them, to be completely honest. It's a very thin layer, and then I'm kind of making it thick at the rim of it. And I'll show you why I'm doing that. Basically, I want something for my eyeballs to stick to. Okay. I think it's still good. I gotta put this more in the center of the plate so it's not falling over. God, I'd hate for it to fall over. Wouldn't be the first time I've had a cake or something fall over on me. Because practice makes perfect, right? That's why I keep telling Evelyn with her schoolwork. Practice makes perfect. You guys see my story yesterday? That's literally 2 days of practicing. She knows how to say all the French numbers. Like, I got a smart little girl on my hands. I think if you're in the membership, this recipe for the icing is already in there. So if you're one of those lucky people who are in the membership, I think you already have this recipe. You definitely have the Oreo recipe for this already in there. Here we go. Okay, so that's done. I'm gonna turn this off now. Yes, turn you off now. I'm gonna actually get it out too. Well, I don't want this one burning over here because my girls won't eat burnt. Burnt, even though it's chocolate, they won't eat it if it's burnt. I don't even know how they can tell it's burnt if it's chocolate, but they can. They can. Okay, so we're gonna just make hoping that this is going to be big enough because I made huge eyeballs. Okay, huge eyeballs. So hoping this is gonna be big enough. Okay. Alright, I'm actually gonna get a couple different knives so I can get these little monsters all kind of made up on the top here. And see what else I need before I put my little eyes on. Now we're kind of just decorating right now, okay? Decorating it up. shall see if we have to make these little monsters a little bit bigger, but you'll get the gist of it. You'll get the little gist of it. They're like little puff monsters, okay? Little puff monsters. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna go here. We're gonna put eyeball there. An eyeball here. Okay. Make this one-eyed monster. The little one-eyed monster. The orange one's gonna be one-eyed monsters, okay? That's what's just gonna work out. And there we go. So we're nice and close to you. This is our glorious little monster treat for the little girls. There's little monsters on top. Okay? So this is like a little cool way that you can do it. You can put like little eyeballs in each layer, all that stuff. Okay, so this is like a little cute way to get them kind of trying to eat different things, okay? Because this is all rich in fat, natural, good fats, right? There's just a little bit of, I guess, swerve is like the only like, you know, like that's not like, you know, healthy for you, but it gives it that little sweet taste. It's good for you, okay? It's better than, you know, normal sugar, right? But yeah, so my little monster treat. What I'm actually gonna do is probably put all green on the bottom here, on the side here, and then they can have a little snack, They each can have like a little monster. They love cream cheese with like this cream cheese with just a chocolate chip in it. Okay, that's like their little like, that's like their favorite thing. It's like weird. I don't know. We're kids, but they love it. Okay, so that's like another thing that you can do for like little treats. Is this cream cheese with unsweetened dark chocolate chip in the middle? I don't know, it's like kryptonite for kids. Well, at least my kids. But that's our video for today. We're gonna go outside and have a fire now and cook some food over the fire for our supper. It's our plan for the rest of today. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day. And we're unsure if we're gonna go live on Monday like we normally do, because it's Thanksgiving. Okay, so we're just kind of, even though we're not really gonna be celebrating it because it's, you know, family day every day, but we're just gonna see if we're gonna have a little bit lazier of a day on Monday or not. But if I do not see you on Monday, happy Thanksgiving to my Canadian friends in here, and we'll definitely be live. We'll still do 2 lives next week. It just, the first one might not be on Monday like I normally do Monday and Friday. It might be on Tuesday and Friday, okay? That sort of thing, okay? But I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys next week, okay? I hope you enjoyed our little Halloween week. I know I did. This is like really fun and cool. I like to get my creative bones going in this. But bye guys, see you next week.